Mother Earth, exactly like a bride awaiting the groom, adored with sweet waters and a habitation for animals. The trees swayed in their splendor, a gift from God to mankind, to hold, to nurture, to protect, and to adore. Look at the beautiful world, my people. Look at it, dancing to the tune of the music. The trees in the wind, moving from the left to the right, to the left to the right. The animals enjoying themselves. The flowers, so beautiful. Look at the world. Can you feel the environment? Fresh and green. Look at the environment, so fresh and green. But one day, man's activities increased. His profits became larger and larger, with activities increasing more and more. His empty pockets were greedy for a refill. Man came in and destroyed the world. Started with deforestation. Deforestation advanced the world. It means cutting down of trees, but leading to increasing carbon in the atmosphere. Look at deforestation, advancing the earth today, bringing down a lot of trees. We need to protect them. Deforestation, advancing the trees. As you can see, deforestation, walking towards the trees. There as it goes. It goes. There goes the first shoka, the second shoka, and the trees on the floor. These trees take 1,000 years to grow. Then came in the industry. Industries came in a large form, making her blacker than ever, shooting her, putting her down onto the ground. Their Mother Earth is on the floor today, crying, calling out for help. They came in with pollution. The pollution targeted the animals, starting with polar bears. Pollution went to the polar bears. One blow, the second blow, and the polar bears down. Do we see polar bears anymore? No, polar bears have gone extinct. Now targeting the white tigers. There, the first blow, the second blow, and the white tigers also on the floor. Now, they're targeting the gorillas. Look at the gorillas, strong and fierce, scaring away pollution. But pollution is also cunning, attacking the gorillas from the back. There goes the gorillas onto the floor. Do we see these animals anymore? No. We need these animals, but we don't have them anywhere. Look at them, gone and extinct. Mother Earth, wailing and crying out for help. Help me! Help me! Help me! Then join me. We all can become Morans and save Mother Earth. The rich, the poor, the developing, the developed. Everyone on earth can become a Moran to restore Mother Earth. So, let's call the Morans to help us. Morans! There come the Morans, destroying the industries, bringing down deforestation, planting more trees, restoring Mother Earth as we can see them. The Morans, you are a Moran, you can do the same to bring back Mother Earth. Look at them, bringing back the animals. Can you also do it? Yes, you can. If you become Morans for Mother Earth, we all can make Mother Earth a better place. We can stand firm, strong, and bold. As we say, the earth needs you, your planet needs you, the environment needs you.
I think I just had a cry from Mother Nature. Did you? Why is she crying? Who made her sad? Is it one more tree felled in the mighty Congo Basin? Is it an ice cap that has just melted from Mount Kilimanjaro? Or is it a river that has dried in Zambia? Or is it our children dying yet again from droughts, or our animals being swept away by floods? As if this is not enough, we keep hush. We kill ourselves. Coal-fired chimneys reaching up so high, even though the solar, wind, and geothermal power is so free. We develop ships that fly, yet we can't stop pollution of the air. They tell us constantly that we are causing the climate to change, causing a global warming effect. Are we listening? Can we really believe that we are responsible for all this mess? What other signs do we need? What would it mean for us if the planet was one big dustbin? When I was young, I got my inspiration from nature, swimming in the endless rivers, listening to the birds chirping and flying away, and eating wild berries. I took nature for granted. Today, climate change is threatening to turn my life upside down. My mother did not need to walk miles and miles in search of water because it rained and rained. Streams and ponds emerged from every corner. But today, she knows different. Now my father is gone, painfully left in search for greener pastures. We hope that he'll come back someday, but our family is never gonna be the same again. I don't want my children to see the earth die. Nowhere to draw their inspiration from. No fish to swim, as there will be no seas and lakes, and no birds to chirp and fly away, and no air for breathing, no water even to drink. I don't want emissions to stay in the air, to cloud our vision, to fill our lungs and cause incurable illnesses and sufferings.
Now everybody clear your throats.
pursuit for wealth has created more poverty for humanity. And what lost in the womb of your mind?
Images! Only images of what? Images of the nature beaches and strangulated wetlands. Memories of devastated swamps and filthy dry streams. Shadows of a long queue of mothers and offerings trailing their way to drink from our homes.
You see what I mean? My sister, every one of us here adores your gift for sight. It is only supernatural beings like you that can truly predict the future. So, beloved one, we beseech you to plunge into the future and tell us what it has in store for us. Go on.